This feature provides 8 new CAM setup templates for common machine configurations, as well as instructions on how to install them. We'll begin by opening the PostHub website. Support Resources is where you will find the new NX CAM setup templates. These templates contain machine setups, simplified machine graphics, machine kinematics, and post-processors. Click Download. The downloaded files include a video on how to install and start using the NX CAM setup templates and documentation describing each of the templates. The downloaded files also include the resource files and templates you will need for the install. Templates for the following machine types are included in the Installed Machines folder. Once installation is complete, start NX and apply the appropriate setup template.